Y'all know what this shit is.
Real talk, and a lot of you niggas need to just...
You need to diversify your bonds, nigga.
Yeah, it's just like that, for sure. The dirty sound on the map, for sure. Yeah, it's Rich Brown on the track, for sure. And that door go. Yeah, whoop ass. My shit is fuego, I gotta get to these pesos. I see you, hasta la fuego, it's not when you say so. My shooter, he a Mexican, so you know his name is Pedro. He came for the case, so get hit with this bean and shot out a potato. For shish purposes, we hurtin' shit. Ain't for niggas who lurking in, the purpose is shit. It's Rich Brown, the dirtiest, like dirt and shit. Baby came through, it's time to lift that skirt and get the working in. Just know it's worth the hit. I'm about to